Welcome to Unit 6, Lesson 5. This lesson is a little bit better than Lesson 3 because I don't have to keep switching pages. So I'm going to try to draw straight. So I do have something to draw straight with. I got an edge over here, and I'm going to use that. So first, it says you just use a straight edge to construct a line that goes from point A to B. So you're going to just draw a line. So let me get my pen out. I'm going to do blue. And it's going to be construct a line. So a line goes on forever in both directions. So let's just do the best we can. And there you go. And there you go. Here's a line. 2 arrows on the ends. Line E is parallel to the blank axis. So this is line E. So I'm supposed to label it line E. So I just put a little E after it. So it's line E. All right. They want you to say it's parallel. Well, that line is parallel to, is it parallel to X down here? Or is it parallel to Y, the line going up and down? Or is it parallel to the one going across at the bottom? If you said the X axis, you're right. That's X is parallel. They go in the same direction. So remember parallel lines. There's parallel right there. And then perpendicular means at a right angle. So you can see that at Y is at a right angle. So if I drew the square, that's a right angle right there. Okay, so that's Y. Okay. Plot 2 more points on line E. Name them, C and D. So let's do one right here. I'm going to do a plot a point right there. You can see that. Actually, let's do a different color. Let's do red or orange. That way you can actually see it. And then I'll plot another point. Let's plot one right next to B. And the reason I'm doing it is because I have 5 right here as reference and I have 10. So I'm going to use those numbers. So C and D. So let's do C and D. Okay. And for C, that's going to be 5. So it's X is first. So we'll put the 5 from the bottom. This is letter C. It's 5. And then line E is at this spot right here, which is 4. It looks like it's 4. Yep. So it's 5, 4. And line D, or point D, is going to be 10 and 4. Okay, 10, 4. Okay, there you go, 10, 4. There you go. Now give the coordinates of each point below. Okay. So they want coordinates for A, B, C, and D. So I already gave you C and D. You can put those in. So just put C down here and then put D, right there. So let's see what B is. Now everybody has a coordinate of 4 for the X. Sorry, for the Y. So let's do A. A is at, looks like it's 1, 2, 3 over. So 3, comma, and then it'll be 4. 4 is where all of those are. Okay. Yes, I'll be there. Hold on. And then I'm going to do that. So letter B would be 10, 11. It would be 11 because it's over one more from letter D. And then it's also at 4. You'll notice the trend here. Since every one of those points is on the line that is at 4, where Y equals 4, you notice the second number, which is Y, is 4. Okay, notice that. Letter E says, what do all the points on the line have in common? Which I just said, they all have a Y. Y is equal to 4. So all their Y's are equal to 4 on the axis or coordinate grid. Give the coordinates of another point that would fall on the line E. So basically, you can pick anything you want. So let's pick the number 7. So we could just say 7, and it's going to be 4 again, because 4 is Y, which is the line. So 7, 4. You could also pick 12, 4. 12, 4. You can do that too, okay? You could, it says, I'm sorry, would fall on the line greater than 15. So you got to do something bigger than 15. I did not read that. I am so sorry. So that's going to be, let's just do 18, 4. Okay. That's for that. Okay. All right. We're done with this page. We're going to move on. I'm going to delete everything. Are you ready? Here we go.
I'm ready.
Okay. I'm about to go to a meeting. Okay. I'm going to pause this for a second and I'm going to come back in a minute.